Welcome to my channel. Today we will guess Italian brainrot eye animals meme. 16 questions. 10 seconds to find the answers. For each correct answer, you got 1 point. If you are ready, let's get started. Question 1. Cappuccino assassino. Do you know this? Ballerina Cappcuccina. You got this. Do you know this? Lirili Larila. Do you know this? Chimpanzini bananini. You nailed it! Do you know this? Brr brr patapim. Well done, you got this. Do you know this? Tralalero tralala. Great job. Do you know this? Bombardiro crocodilo. Great job. Do you know this? Boneca ambalabu. This. Trippi troppi. Great job. What about this? Bobrini cocosini. Great job. What about this? La vaca sartuno saturnito. Well done, you got this. Frigo camello, bufo fardello. What about this? Glorbo fruttodrillo. Subscribe for last question. What about this? Tung Tung Sahur. If you got this correct, do like and subscribe.